To create ongoing limited payments, again, we go to the client information page, right? And we're gonna click on the new membership/plans button, access the membership page, and here it is under membership type, ongoing limited payments. So now ongoing limited payments, once we choose this, we can choose the number of months that we want to create the transactions for. So let's say, for 6 months, we want to charge person, X amount of dollars, right? Or we have somebody that we want to charge them, let's say, it's a 15-month membership, okay? So we only want 15 monthly transactions. So whatever your situation may be, you can create limited payments based on what your requirements are. Because with ongoing membership, it was continuous. There's no end to it, right? With ongoing limited payments, you can limit the number of months that you want to create the transactions for. So leaving it at 15, we're going to go down here again, choose our payment type as credit card, and I'm going to check off same as personal details so I don't have to enter it again, right? And entering the credit card data, so let's say whatever the credit card number, giving it a random expiry year, CVD. So if you see here, the first billing date is optional, so you can change it whenever you want to start their membership. Okay, so let's say their 15 months are starting today, or their 15 months are starting from June 1st on, or June 15th, whatever the situation may be. Okay, so whatever the billing date is, so let's say if I was to choose June 15th, their membership's gonna start, and every month they're going to be paying us $125, right, with the tax amount, and I'm going to include the tax, and I'm going to create this membership. Before this I create it, again, just to verify, we're creating an ongoing limited payment 15 monthly transactions for this client at this amount, right, starting on June the 15th. So I'm going to go ahead and create. Once I create this, you're going to see that our account status is again showing up as an active account, right? Scrolling down to view the membership right here. So if you were to see, it's view ongoing limited monthly membership starting on June 15th and ending on September 15th next year, right? Because we have 15 transactions. So let's view this membership. Once we view it, we're going to be able to see 15 transactions down below now. So see right here, it's saying showing 1 to 15 entries. So on the 15th of every month, you know that this client, our billing company Pambor, will go into this credit card and charge them $141.25 on the 15th of every month at 12 a.m. midnight. That is always the processing time at 12 a.m. So if we were to just scroll down, you see there's only 15 transactions. There's no more down below. Once this person gets charged, on August 15, 2021, there's going to be no more membership happening here. So this is how we create ongoing limited payments.